How to check and change display resolution in Windows 11. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and from the context menu, select Display Settings. You can also go to the Settings app from the Start menu. Click on System category. Here on the right sidebar, select Display. Now you'll see Display Resolution section. In this area, Windows 11 displays your current screen resolution. This is the settings that determines the number of pixels on your screen. The higher the resolution, the sharper and more detailed the display, but it may make text and icons appear smaller. To change your screen resolution, click on the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available resolutions for your monitor. Click on the resolution you want to apply. Windows 11 will apply the new resolution, and you will have a 15-second cooldown to confirm it. If you are satisfied with the change, click Keep Changes. If not, you can revert to your previous resolution by clicking Revert during the countdown. Below the resolution drop-down, you'll find more display settings, such as orientation, landscape or portrait, scale and layout, and multiple displays if you're using multiple monitors. And that's how you can check and change display resolution in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.